All right, guys, we're gonna replace this one right here. Let you know that we are on Mrs. Thornton's roof. All right. Alright, get that nail up out of there. Alright. 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 One more stuck. All right, we removed it. Gonna put it back. Put that right there. You get to see the granules popping off this thing. Alright, guys, so you can see that crease, and it damaged the shingle. You see that crease right there, crease right there. It's harder to see on this side because it's the algae side, but most definitely a crease right there, right there, right there, right there. And by using the snake jack, you see how it damaged that shingle. All right, and right here too, it damaged the shingle because the granules are so brittle that it don't have that same impact. So when you use the snake jack, it's going to damage it, and it also showed a crease on this slope also. Okay, guys.